Have you ever wanted to know where an item is stored in a list or how many times it appears? Python can answer both questions with just two simple methods. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use index method and count method, and you'll never confuse them again. In the previous videos, we have learned many list operations and methods. Today we'll learn two more important list methods, index and count. Both methods help us search for data in a list, but they serve different purposes. Index tells us the position of an element, where count tells us how many times an element appears. Let's understand them one by one. Index method. The index method returns the index or position of the first occurrence of the specified element in the list. Let's check the syntax of the index method. List name is the name of the list. Element is the value whose position we want to find. Let's understand with the help of one example. We have created one list, fruits. Notice that banana appears twice in this list. The indexes are apple is at index 0, mango is at 1, banana is at 2, orange is at 3, and banana is at index 4. Remember, list indexing always starts from 0. Here, we use the index method. Python searches the list from left to right. As soon as it finds the first banana, it stops searching and returns its index. The first banana is at index 2, so 2 is stored in the variable position. Even though another banana exists at index 4, it is ignored because index always returns the first occurrence of the element. What if the element is not present? Suppose we write grapes. Python searches the entire list. Since grapes is not present, Python raises an error. Value error, grapes is not in list. So always make sure the element exists before using index. Now let's learn the count method. The count method returns the number of times an element appears in the list. This is the syntax of count method. Now let's understand count with the help of one example. Notice that banana appears 2 times. Here we use the count method. Python checks every element in the list. Whenever it finds banana, it increases the count by 1. It finds banana once at index 2, then it finds banana again at index 4. So the total count becomes 2, which is stored in the variable total. So the output is 2. Let's find apple. Apple appears only once. Let's find grapes. Since grapes is not present in the list, count returns 0. Notice the difference between these two methods. Index gives an error if the element is not found, where count simply returns 0. So today we learned two useful list methods. Index returns the index of the first occurrence of an element. Count returns how many times an element appears in the list. If an element is missing, index raises a value error, while count returns 0. That's all for this video. Practice these two methods with different elements so you are comfortable finding both the position and the frequency of items in a list. In the next video, we'll learn another useful Python list method. See you in the next one. Happy coding!